all of you to please speak up on this. This is not something which is from a party or from a Pakistani court or anywhere else. This is from the UN. And I urge all the MPs and the democratic voices in the world to Pakistan to allow the UN working group to attend Pakistan and to allow the Human Rights Council to also take this forward. Moving forward after the arbitrary detention, just even before when Imran Khan came out of power and we lost our government, the primary thing that was used to break down, or try to break down our party and our people, was torture. Let it be physical, let it be mental. At the time when our government fell, we had 13,000 people thrown into prison. Till this day, we have senior leadership from women aging from 70 all the way down to 18, 16. We have a senior former health minister, Yasmin Rashid Sahaba, who's still in prison. We have a couple of senators that are in prison. Imran Khan's chief of staff at the time was picked up, tortured, on record saying that I was stripped naked and electrified on his private parts. And we've got a colleague here, Azam Ashwani, his family was picked up. My cousin was picked up. They spent numerous months in prison. Half the time we didn't know where they were even. But the main source, or the main primary way of functioning was torture. And that's what I want to raise with you today. One particular incident, just before I move forward, is of a senator called Aziz Sawab. He's a senior senator of our country. He's been senator numerous times. He's been minister numerous times. A man of honor. And I was there